Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will create a program that will ask the user to give three numbers, and then our program will determine which of the three numbers has a biggest value. So we will call this program biggest of three numbers in C# programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I am here in a Visual Studio environment. So this is yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, Maed IT MIT, and then my two websites where you can download free source code. The first one is www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the second one is www.jakerpomperada.com. At present time, I'm accepting programming jobs, software development, IT consultancy at a very reasonable cost. You can contact me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. And then I'm here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. And then we have here machine problem. Write a C# program to find the largest of three numbers. So here we have a class, and then I have declared four variables. The first set of variables are integers, num1, num2, num3, as a depository of our values, and then string result. So we have here the title, biggest of three numbers, and then right line, enter first number, second number, and third number. So the first value will be stored in variable num1. We convert string into this command, no? Convert into int32 for integer, similarly with num2 and num3. So for comparison, to determine which of the three number has a biggest numerical value, so we are using this statement: if num1 greater than num2 and num1 greater than num3, result, the num1 number is the greatest among three numbers. Else, if num2 greater than num1 and num2 greater than num3, the num2 number is the greatest among three. Else, the num3 number is the greatest among 3, and end of program. This will be displayed the result, and then end of program to inform the user that the program has been ended. This command console read line will allows us to pause during the execution of our program, and then we close our program here. Don't worry guys, I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of our sample program. Let us click the start button, enter first value. We have 7, second 34, third we have 2. So 34, the 34 is the greatest among three numbers, the greatest among three. End of program. Let us run again for second time around. 2, 1, -5. The 2 number is the greatest among 3. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create biggest of three numbers in C# programming language. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.